Now we are going to see the algorithm traversing of a singly linked list. But now you just see this singly linked list. It is already created by using the previous algorithm creation. There are 3 nodes are there, 56, 22 and 45. This is start node, which points to the address of the first node. For example, this is 1000 address, this is address is 2000, address of third node is 3000. You just imagine for better understanding. Now start, which consisting of the value of this 1000. Start is having the address of the first node. The next field of this node consisting of the address of this one. This node next consisting of address of this one. The last node next field will be null. So this is our initial singly linked list. Now we are going to traverse. What is traversing? Traversing is nothing but visiting all the nodes or exploring all the nodes. But for example, if I want to do some operation on this node, instead of this 22, I want to change the value. 22 oda value on 46 nu dirinu maathanu appdi na nenikiren appadina appo na enna pannum, I have to travel from the start to this particular node and then only I can change the value. The traversing is the best example. After creating a singly linked list, if I want to display the linked list, the linked list na display pannanu vechukom, what I have to do, I have to visit first node and then I have to visit second node and then I have to visit third node. I have to visit till the last node. This is we call it as traversing. Adukku the algorithm irukku. So if the traverse pannanum appadina, I need one special pointer that is called PTR. As I already said, by using start I cannot travel because start should always have the address of the first node. If I once disturb the value of start, I cannot find out the list. The list and identify பண்றதுக்கு எனக்கு இருக்கிற ஒரே ஒரு trump card the start, because it has the address of the base element or first element. So at any cost I won't disturb the value of start. So I am using a new variable called pointer. Now pointer is a set pointer is equal to start means now the pointer is having the value of 1000, that is it is pointing to the first node. Now I want to travel all the nodes. It is already number in creation la else part la paathom. If I want to travel all the node till the end appadina, what I am going to do, by just using the while loop, while pointer not equal to null. If a pointer in 1000, it is not equal to null. Pointer data is now 56. Other apply process to pointer data appadina, it is an algorithm, it is not a C program statement. Adanal I just write it a pseudo code. Apply process. If suppose 56, if I want to increase, pointer data is equal to pointer data plus 10. This is apply process to pointer data. Pointer data la some process apply பண்றேன். அது வந்து increment by 10 ஆ இருக்கலாம். அல்லது நான் இத டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணி பார்க்கணும்னா what I have to write, printf, that is pointer data. இப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? இப்போ இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வந்து 56 print பண்ணும். இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் 56 incremented by 10. So we can do any process on this pointer data. If I once processed, what I have to do, I have to move to the next node. Next node move பண்றதுக்கு what is the statement? Pointer is equal to pointer next. Pointer equal to pointer next. What is the meaning? Now this is pointer. Now what is pointer next? This is pointer next, which stores what is the address. This 2000 ங்கிறது இங்க இருக்கும். இங்க என்ன இருக்கும்? This 3000 ங்கிற address இருக்கும். இங்க என்ன இருக்கும்? The 1000 ங்கிற address இருக்கும். Pointer next is nothing but 2000. So now 2000 will be stored. Now this will be pointer. Now I can apply some process on pointer data அப்படினா என்ன? This 22. This 22 can be incremented by 10 and then I can print the value. Similarly, next once again while pointer is not equal to null, so I go for pointer is equal to pointer next. Now what is pointer next? It is 3000. So now pointer is going to be this. This is now going to be the pointer. Now I can apply process on data. Pointer data in a 45. I can process 10 increase பண்ணிட்டு I just print the value. Now next time while loop, pointer not equal to null. Now what is pointer? Now this is actually a pointer, and finally the pointer will be moved to the pointer next. Now what is pointer? After this statement, pointer is going to be null, because pointer is equal to pointer next and pointer next on the null. அப்போ பாயிண்டில் என்ன ஸ்டோர் ஆகும், null அப்படிங்கிற வேல்யூ ஸ்டோர் ஆகும். while come for the next time while loop pointer not equal to null, the condition is false, so it is come out of the loop. So this is traversing the linked list. Now we are going to see the algorithm for insertion in a singly linked list. So as I already said, there are three types of insertions are there: inserting a node at the beginning, inserting a node at the end, inserting a node in the middle. Now we will see insertion at the beginning. So now if I want to insert a new node at the beginning of the linked list, first I have to create a new node. So this is my new node. So as I already said, that first three statements, if avail is equal to null, then write overflow, end of if, set new node is equal to avail. These 4 lines of algorithm is common for creating this new node. I already explained what is the meaning for this. So I am creating a new node with the help of that first 4 statements. Now what I have to do, I have to supply the value for this new node. New node or data I have to supply some value. For that I am writing a statement, new node arrow mark data is equal to VAL. Now you just imagine my VAL is 100. I already get an input from the user that VAL is 100 just by using a scanf statement for variable VAL. Now I store this value here. So how I can access this? New node arrow mark data is the statement for accessing this particular place. Here I want to store this value, so equal to VAL. Now this 100 will be stored here. So our one part is over. Now what I have to do, if I want to insert this new node as the beginning of the list, what are all the things I have to do? First, if this node is going to be act as a first node, automatically the next to this node will be already present first node. அப்போ இது எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நோட ஆக்ட் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா நான் என்ன பண்ணணும், ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கிற ஃபஸ்ட்டு நோடோட அட்ரஸை இந்த நோடோட நெக்ஸ்ட்டில் நான் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிட்டா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி திஸ் நோட் வில் பி ஆக்ட் அஸ் ஏ நெக்ஸ்ட் டு திஸ் நோட். ஸோ இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ண வேண்டிய விஷயம். செகண்ட், இப்போ இதனோட நெக்ஸ்ட் நோடு தான் இது அப்படின்னா அப்போ ஹியர் ஆஃப்டர் வாட் இஸ் ஸ்டார்ட், திஸ் நோட் வில் பி கோயிங் டு பி ஆக்ட் அஸ் ஏ ஸ்டார்ட். அப்போ இந்த ஸ்டார்ட்டில் என்ன இருக்கணும், இந்த கனெக்ஷன் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணணும். இந்த ஸ்டார்ட்டில் இனிமேட்டு என்ன இருக்க போகுது, இந்த நோடு இனிமேட்டுக்கு இருக்கணும். இதுதான் வந்து என்னோட செகண்ட் போர்ஷன். ஸோ இதில் மொத்தம் 3 விஷயம். ஒன்று டேட்டா ஸ்டோர் பண்ணணும், அதுக்கு இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். இந்த லிங்க் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணணும், இந்த லிங்க் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இப்போ இந்த லிங்க் எப்படி சார் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணுறது, வாட் இஸ் இந்த ஃபீல்டு ஆக்சுவலாக என்ன, நியூ நோடோட வாட் இஸ் திஸ் ஃபீல்ட், நெக்ஸ்ட். இதுதான் அந்த ஃபீல்டு. அது ஆல்ரெடி எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். நியூ நோடோட நெக்ஸ்ட்டு தான் இந்த இடம். இப்போ இதில் என்ன ஸ்டோர் ஆகணும், இந்த நோடோட அட்ரஸ் ஸ்டோர் ஆகணும். அதாவது ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த 1000ங்கிறது இந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஸ்டோர் ஆகும். அப்போ நியூ நோடோட நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன, 1000. இப்போ இந்த 1000 ஆல்ரெடி எங்கே இருக்குது, ஸ்டார்ட்டில் இருக்குது. ஸோ அப்போ ஈக்குவல் டு ஸ்டார்ட் அப்படின்னு நான் எழுதிட்டேன்னா வாட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு ஹேப்பன், நியூ நோடோட நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு this first node அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி மீனிங் ஆயிடும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஃபார் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷிங் திஸ் பர்டிகுலர் லிங்க். செகண்ட் என்ன, இந்த லிங்க் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இதனோட அட்ரஸ் 1500 நீங்கள் இமேஜின் பண்ணி. அப்போ இந்த ஸ்டார்ட்டில் இப்போ நீ என்ன ஸ்டோர் ஆகணும், ஹியர் ஆஃப்டர் திஸ் நோட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி ஆக்ட் அஸ் ஏ நியூ ஸ்டார்ட். அப்போ இதில் 1500 ஸ்டோர் ஆகணும். இன்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் 1000 இட் ஷுட் பி ரீப்ளேஸ் வித் 1500. 1500ங்கிறது இப்போ எங்கே இருக்குது, நியூ நோடுங்கிற வேரியபிள் இருக்குது. Now what I am going to do, start equal to this new node, because new node la 1500 irukku. The 1500 will be stored to start. So this is 1500. Now this link is established. If both these links are established, hereafter this is the first node of this linked list. So this is my new linked list. So this is my new linked list. If I once establish this connection, automatically this will be removed because it is replaced. Already it is 1000, now it is replaced with 1500. It means that this is automatically deleted. Now let me see the insertion at the end. So we already discussed about how to insert a new node in the beginning. Now we are going to create a new node and which is going to be inserted at the end. So the first 4 lines of the algorithm is just for creating a new node. It is already explained detail. So we are creating a new node now, and then the 5th line, new node of data is equal to value. Now I just get some value, for example VAL is equal to 150. This value is stored in the data part of the new node, and then new node next is equal to null. Why we are fixing this new node next is equal to null, but whereas in the previous case we are not fixing this null value at the end. Now it is fixing the null value because now we are going to insert the new node at the end. At the end means definitely the next field of the new node will be null. So we fix new node arrow mark next is equal to null. Now what we have to do? If I want to insert this new node as at the end, what are the changes we are going to do? We have to identify the already existing last node. Once if you identify the last node, if you once establish this connection, then now the new node will be act as the last node of the new list. So for this, first we have to identify this last node. So how we can identify this last node? We have to traverse from the first node and we have to move up to the last node, and then we have to establish this link. So we already in the creation part we discussed detailedly. We have to identify start is having the address of the first node. Initially we have to use some pointer variable, that is pointer is equal to start. Now this node will be act as a pointer. Pointer is now 1000. I just check with whether it is the next is null or not. Now the next is not null. We just move this pointer to the next one. Now this will be act as a pointer. Now the next field is not null. Now we are moved to the next one. Now next field is null. So this is the last node. We explained detailedly in the creation part itself. By using the while loop we did this traverse. So while pointer of next not equal to null, set pointer is equal to pointer of next. If you continuously executed this while loop, at one point of time this pointer variable will reach the last node of the existing list. Now once we identify the last node, what is the how we have to establish this link? Here in the link establish பண்றது. Now this is pointer. This pointer next is previously it is null. Not what we are going to do, pointer. Now this is pointer, this is pointer. What about this next? Pointer next is equal to what? The new node. So new node. So our statement is pointer of next is equal to new node. Now the node is added at the end. So this is inserting a node at the end. Already we discussed how to insert a node in the beginning and how to insert a node at the end. Now if I want to insert in the middle. Now insert in the middle means either between 56 and 22 or between 22 and 45 in this example. Now here there are two variations are there. After NUM, before NUM. There are two cases are there. Here we are going to discuss about after NUM. What is this after NUM, before NUM? If I want to insert the node in the middle, we have to find out the location where we have to insert. Either after 56 is one case, before 22, to after 22, before 45. There are four cases are there. So here either we can go for, we are getting an input of NUM, we can say insert the new node after this NUM, or we can say insert that node before that NUM. For example, in this case, if I am taking NUM as an input of 22, in my program I am by using a scanf statement I am getting an input for the variable called NUM, now which is 22. If it is after 22 means I have to insert the node here. Before 22 means I have to insert the node here. So these two variations are there, but here we are going to discuss about this after num case, and on your own you just explore how to do the same for before NUM. Very slight changes. Now we go for after NUM. Now we are getting an input for NUM as 22. What we are going to do in our algorithm, you just see for creating a new node, that is new node, first 4 line, that is if avail is equal to null, write overflow, end of if set new node is equal to avail. These 4 lines completed the task of creating a new node. Now what I have to do, I have to get the value, where the value, that is VAL, for example here 250, I am getting an input VAL. Now this value should be inserted into this new node. So as you already said, new node of data is equal to VAL, means this 250 will be stored here. Now new node or next one, in the previous case we are putting as a null because that is the last node, but here it is the intermediate node, so definitely we cannot say new node or next is equal to null and சொல்லக்கூடாது. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், இப்போ இந்த நோடை வந்து I want to insert after this 22. இப்போ what is our first task? We have to identify the node which contain the value 22. Whether this is enough? Not enough, because if only we know this 22, I can connect this 22 to this node, but what next? This node should be once again connected to the 45 also. So here there are two links should be established, that is, one is this 22 should be connected to 250 as well as this 250 should be connected to 45. If these two links established, then only this node is inserted between 22 and 45. We need name for these two nodes. So for that, in our algorithm we are using two variables. One is called PTR, another one is called PREPTR. Pointer is equal to start. What is pointer? Start is this one. So now hereafter this is pointer. What is next? Pre-pointer is equal to pointer. What is pre-pointer is equal to pointer? Pointer is equal to start means this is pointer. Pre-pointer is equal to pointer means once again this is the pre-pointer also. So now pointer, pre-pointer both are pointing to the first node of the list. You just see the code. Pre-pointer of data not equal to num. What is pre-pointer of data? Pre-pointer of data வந்து 56. Whether 56 is not equal to 22 or not. True. Now what I have to do? Pointer is equal to pointer or next pointer will move to this place. Again once again while loop. Pre-pointer data not equal to num. Still pre-pointer data is not equal to NUM. What we are going to do? Pre-pointer is equal to pointer. Pre-pointer is equal to pointer abdina. Hereafter this is going to be act as a pre-pointer. This will not. Then pointer is equal to pointer next. Pointer is equal to pointer next abdina. This will become pointer now. Now once again we come for the while loop. We check pre-pointer data. What is pre-pointer data? It is 22. Num already getting it is 22. Now both are same. The condition is false. It is come out of the loop. While it is come out of the loop, the pre-pointer is pointing this particular node. Pointer is pointing this particular node. So this is our objective actually. If you want to establish these two links, we should know what should be the node before this new node, what should be the node after this new node. By using this while loop, this target we can achieve. Now what we have to do for establishing this particular link, what I have to do? This is now it is pre-pointer. This is pre-pointer next. That is this is pre-pointer. In the part enna pre-pointer next. Pre-pointer next இப்போ என்ன ஸ்டோர் ஆகணும்? நியூ நோட் ஸ்டோர் ஆகணும். ஸோ நியூ நோட் கோடு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும் அல்காரிதம். ப்ரீ பாயிண்டோட நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு நியூ நோட். அடுத்தது என்ன பண்ணணும்? இந்த நியூ நோட் இதை பாயிண்ட் பண்ணணும். நியூ நோடோட வாட் இஸ் திஸ்? திஸ் இஸ் நியூ நோட். இது என்னது? நியூ நோடோட நெக்ஸ்ட்டு. இந்த நியூ நோடோட நெக்ஸ்ட்டில் இப்போ என்ன ஸ்டோர் ஆகணும்? இது ஸ்டோர் ஆகணும். இந்த நோடு இப்போ இதில் இதுக்கு இதனோட பேர் என்ன? பாயிண்டர். ஸோ ஈக்குவல் டு PTR. So new node order next is equal to PTR. Now these two links are established. So our new node is inserted between 22 and 45. So now our task is over.